Will 5 plates stop a hot glued mug from getting destroyed by a 30 caliber dome nose pellet? We're gonna find out real quick. This is the air gun we're gonna be using. It's a break barrel air rifle. It's a Hatsan Carnivore 135 30 caliber break barrel. Shoots pretty nice, got a nice stock, and I just got a cheap Gammo scope with rings on it. It's fairly decent. Looks pretty tacky, but we're gonna give it a shot and see how far it goes through. Our glued mug survived. This plate survived. That must be it. Look at that. Wow. The glue worked all right till you warm stuff up, then it just melts. Gotta be careful. I don't know, must have been. Only found a small piece of the pellet.